Welcome everybody, I will show you how to fix sound problem on Grand Mountain game. To fix this problem you should follow some easy steps. So first open the settings of your device, click on apps option and search for Grand Mountain and click. Here guys, scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache only. Back after this, click on for stop, click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store and update Grand Mountain. Restart here guys your device and that's all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and